Mr. Cameraman just got a new car. Okay, tell us all about your new car.
This is the 2023 Honda Accord EXL Hybrid. And so the EXL has leather, sunroof, radar cruise control, dual climate control, heated seats. These are perforated leather seats, which is nice. And it's got blind spot. It's got pretty much all the premium features you could want. And I just got a smoking good deal on it at Earnhardt Honda in Avondale, Arizona. I like the steering wheel. I like the center stack. I like the feel of all the materials. This is all like a soft touch material. It's not leather, but it's very soft. It's like the Lexus New Lux material.
It's got pretty fancy air vents.
Yep. So this, I think, is the first year for this body style, 2023. So this is all brand new for Honda. It's only got 40 miles on it. Got a lot of room in the back. It's a very big car. That's why I'm amazed that it can get the miles per gallon that it gets with it being as large and heavy as it is.